Right now, you're probably watching this using Wi-Fi. But have you ever thought, how does the internet actually travel through the air? Wi-Fi is short for wireless fidelity, and it works using radio waves. Your router gets data from your internet cable and converts it into invisible electromagnetic signals that spread out in all directions. Your devices, like your phone or laptop, have tiny antennas that catch those signals and turn them back into data, like videos, messages or memes. Wi-Fi networks usually work on 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz frequencies. The higher the frequency, the faster the speed, but the shorter the range. That's why Wi-Fi is super fast near the router, but weak behind walls or in another room. So next time your Wi-Fi drops, remember, it's just those little radio waves struggling to reach you. Wi-Fi, the invisible bridge that keeps the world connected.